god, I forgot to clean my bird's cage today. Okay, I'm gonna clean my bird's cage today. You will need a pair of gloves, a little broom and little thing to sweep it in, dustpan, a dirty cage like this one, garbage can, some bird food, and paper towel. Okay, so you put on gloves, obviously. Then you open the top of your bird cage. You just need to push it until it gets up. Push the sides and then open it so your bird will fly away. I need to get them out of the cage. So they're out of the cage now. And take off any of your toys, just like throw them, and you could clean them while you're at it. So now there's gonna be a little tray at the bottom. Pull out tray. Pull out. You should have a little bedding of newspaper or anything like that. Now, just clean it out. Then you can fold it. And put it in the garbage. Take off all the poop your bird left. Okay. Then take out your perch. You should wash it, but I'll get to that. And there'll be a little tray, and you should go to the sink and wash. So then you bring your tray and anything that needs to be washed. You get to this half. Turn on the water. Just clean the perches out. And then turn your tap on. And if you don't have this, you could just do it and clean it without your gloves. So I will do this. And then just rub it so all the poop gets out. And then it's clean. Soft. So now this is clean. You go put it aside and look if there's any more poop. And then put it aside. This, if it's clean, you don't really have to wipe it, but I'll just do it. Now that this is clean, put in the other side, and then you just get some paper towels. Okay, so then you need some paper towel to dry it all off. So I got my paper towel. Just get a few, like 2. And then fold it. Wipe your perches. That's wiped. Wiped. Then do that. Throw that away. I'll just clean that up after. And just clean it. That's good. And this. You just need to do this on each side and it'll easily get cleaned. Just do it over and over. Now this is cleaned. Throw it away. Clean that up after. Put it in there. And put your purchase and this aside. You get one piece of paper towel, you just fold it. So by folding it, it'll fit perfectly in your tray. Well, if it's hard to do it with gloves, you might want to take off your gloves at this part. And then put this on top. This. Okay, so after cleaning everything, you get it. You just want to put it aside. And now clean any toy that's dirty and look for any toy that's broken. So if a broken toy could hurt your bird, so I just cleaned it this morning. And put this aside. And if your mom or anyone gets mad that you made a mess, clean it up with a dustpan. Or you could put paper towels, but right now I'm just doing this. And then take all your dishes of water and food out. Okay. And make sure everything gets out of your cage. Then, if you left your paper towels anywhere, go and get them. So fold it until it's into a square, then a rectangle, then a smaller square. And then just clean the inside. And done. Put it aside. And yeah. Okay, so now you put your little tray or pan inside. Put your tray inside again. Y'all, Wayne. Okay, do that. And you just okay. You just put your purchase back in where you would want them. Okay, make sure they're not that too much apart. And stop spraying me. Please, stop. Okay, so then you wash out your dishes. Okay. Well, you can wash them out, but I did it this morning. And yeah, put your water dish in, and your food dish. If there's empty seeds that you wanna put more food, and yeah. Well, we did it this morning. We did everything this morning. We speed. Okay, so now you just until you don't have to let your birds out, but I just feel like they weren't out for a while, so I let them out. Yeah. If you have a cage like this, you should at least have 2 toys, at least. Because that is, if you have more, it's gonna get crowded. If you have less, they're gonna get really bored. Yeah. Opa. Then. Yeah. Now you have your toys, and then you could get your budgies in after. Stuff. And since you have food with you, you could put more food, and then you just clean up the entire mess you made. So yeah, get everything into one spot, and just like scoop it in. Okay. And the next video will show you how to set up a bird cage and like train budgies and stuff like that. And rate, like, subscribe, peace, comment, peace.